This is Grizz's workshop. This scruffy-looking mofo is Grizz.
Not an expert, not an exemplar of safety. Proceed at your own risk.
When I was on holiday at the beginning of the month for my 50th birthday, I came across this vise. This is a Paramo number 50. I don't really know a lot about them, only I really wanted a vise. It looked very, very solid and pretty much good nick, so picked it up for 35 whole British pounds. And this is me trying to clean it down. Didn't really need any restoration. It was in working order when I got it, just needed a little bit of a clean. So I'm going over it here with some GT85 in lieu of any oil, just to clean it up, and then I put a bit of grease in. I don't know whether I've done this right or not. I don't really know what I'm doing, but I thought that'd get it smooth a bit anyway, so that's what I went with. So I'm just measuring up here for about the space I'm going to need, and it is pretty much between these two studs here and the base. So I'm just going to cut between them. So there's room for the vise to go, otherwise, you have to install it all the way under there and stretch it out and perhaps add some bits under, and it'd be a bit low. So this is about right for me. So just cut these two bits off. These do two cuts to get this one bit off. And then you'll see the face of the table there also will need to come down a bit. I'll do this with my it's gone there. I'll do that with my my router. Unfortunately, I lost the footage of me doing that and also installing it underneath, but all I did was drill in there and attach some coach screws, bolt them in. Didn't take too long. It's in nice and solid now. Now I'm doing the pads for the vise, and they're just making them out of oak, a nice bit of oak here. I decided that I wanted the back pad to sit flush to the workbench, so I'm just chiseling out the bit that goes over the actual metal part of the vise at the back there, just so I can install it flush. Just took quite a while to sort out. Bit of chiseling, bit of routing, and it didn't look too pretty, but no one's going to see it because it'll be up against the workbench. A little bit of farting about to get it in just right. End up making the holes a bit wider. Despite me thinking I had it lined up perfectly, I didn't. It needed some adjusting. In the end, I decided to drill holes in the sides that actually drilled to the workbench itself. So it's secured with 4 screws now to the side of the bench, and 2 would have done, but it's not going to shift. There was no need to flush the front, plus I wanted more meat on a bit of wood so I could apply a bit of a horizontal stop, which you see shortly. Right now I'm levelling up with the top of the workbench, just using my hand plane, and then my block plane, and then some sanding. Finished it there with a bit of Renaissance wax, but here we go. Again, no footage of me doing this, but I did drill some holes for some threaded inserts, and then this is a fixing plate. It's got some washers underneath it, so hold it up, and this is just going to hold that pressure with that board there. As you can see, that batten going across that's attached with some threaded inserts as well to the bench. It's just allowing me to finish off this little jack-o'-lantern with my jigsaw. There's already a video up of me making jack-o'-lanterns. I made an additional 6 more, and here's all 10 of them.
See you next time on Grizz's Workshop.